Canoe Storage, Understanding and Organizing Your Watercraft. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific phrase, canoe storage. This might seem simple, but it's a great example of how English can be very context-specific. Let's dive in and understand not just the meaning, but also how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. Canoe storage is a compound noun, consisting of two words, canoe and storage. First, let's look at these words individually. A canoe is a type of narrow boat that is typically propelled by paddling. Storage, on the other hand, refers to a space or a method used to keep things when they are not in use. When combined, canoe storage specifically refers to the place or method of keeping a canoe safe and out of the way when it's not being used. You might wonder why such a specific term is important. Well, canoe storage is a great example of how English users combine words to create new meanings. This is common in English, especially with technical or specialized topics like outdoor activities or sports. Understanding these compound nouns can greatly enhance your vocabulary and comprehension, especially in context-specific discussions. Now, let's see how to use canoe storage in sentences. 1. I need to find a good canoe storage solution before winter. 2. Can you recommend a place for canoe storage near the lake? 3. Proper canoe storage is essential to maintain the canoe's condition. Notice how the phrase can be modified with adjectives like good or proper to add more information about the storage. To help you understand this concept better, here are some related terms. Paddle, an oar used in propelling a canoe. Rack, a framework, often used for storage, e.g., a canoe rack. Watercraft, a general term for boats and other vessels. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, canoe storage, and how compound nouns work in English. Remember, context is key in understanding and using these phrases correctly. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.